I graduated with a first class. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in pharmacy. I graduated from a recognized Nigerian university, so I can boldly apply to any university in the UK. But not a lot of people have that advantage that I do. In this video, I'll be sharing over 20 schools that you can apply to if you have a third class, if you have a higher national diploma HND, or if you have a degree or certificate from Benin Republic, that is Cotonou. So if you want to know about the UK schools that you can apply to if you have a third class, HND, or a degree or certificate from Benin Republic, then please keep on watching. Hi, my name is Amolmi, aka Petite Diva, and I am a pharmacist and a University of Nottingham alumni and also a Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this educational series, or in this UK series, I'll be sharing a lot about how to apply to UK universities, what you need to do, some things that can help you get admission faster, some things that would help you stay in the UK be more memorable. I will also share tips and tricks to just the whole UK student application process, the whole experience, so that you would have the best experience while applying, because that can be mentally stressing, and also when you're there. So if you like videos such as this, please click on that red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that you're notified anytime I drop videos like this. And just be rest assured that these videos will not be what you normally see, because I'm going to talk about the mistakes that you can make, the things to avoid the mistakes, so many things that so many other people will not tell you because I have the gist. Anyway, let's get into this video. This video is all about those who have third class, those who have HND, and those who have certificates from Benin Republic universities, because this class of people, these three class of people, actually have a harder time getting admission from the UK universities, because most UK universities would want people that graduated with at least a 2-2, that's a second class lower, and they want people that got a bachelor's degree, and they also want schools that are recognized. And I noticed that a lot of schools don't recognize universities in Benin Republic, but there are a lot more that also recognize all these people. So in this video, I'm going to start listing from those that accept HND, those that accept third class and HND, and those that accept certificates or degrees from universities in Benin Republic, aka Cotonou. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips that would guarantee you getting an admission in these universities, no matter whether it's the third class, HND, or from Benin Republic. So you have to stay till the end. This is 5 tips you will not see anywhere, I can assure you that. So let's get into this video. I will be reading from my book, and I would leave the names of the universities on the screen so that you can research and check for the course that you want to study. So now we're going to HND, we have Edinburgh Napier University, that is in Scotland. We have Leeds Beckett. We have University of Derby. We have Glasgow Caledonian University, that's also in Scotland. We have Sheffield Hallam. We have University of Plymouth. We also have Kingston University. We have University of Lincoln. We have Birmingham City University. We have University of Northampton. We have University of Salford, and we have Cranfield University for HND alone. So HND and third class, we have, like I've mentioned, Sheffield Hallam, we have Wolverhampton University, University of Sutherland, London Metropolitan University, University College Birmingham, we have Solent University, we have Cardiff Metropolitan University, we have Bedfordshire University, there's also University of West England, University of South Wales, University of Suffolk, we have Swansea University, University of Essex, we have Anglia Ruskin University, and University of Gloucestershire. Anyway, it's on the screen because I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. Then we have Ulster University, has Birmingham campus and London campus. We have Robert Gordon University, and those are the ones that both accept third class and HND. Now, for those that accept degrees and certificates from Benin Republic, we have Newcastle University, we have Greenwich University, we have Aberdeen University, we have University of West London, we have University of East London, and we have Chichester. I'm just going to leave the name of that thing because most of the times you find out that the pronunciation and the words are not the same. So I would say Chichester University, and we have University of West England, Bristol. So those are the schools that accept third class, HND, and degrees or certificates from Benin Republic as of this time of filming, 2022. Later on, it could increase because things are changing, or it could reduce. Now, here are 5 tips that are guaranteed to grant you or give you an admission in this school. Number 1, have an impeccable SOP. SOP is statement of purpose. Some people call it personal statement. Some people it's called motivational letter or motivational statement. But in that, you have to talk about yourself. You have to promote yourself. In this series, I'm actually going to read 2 of my SOPs. I'm going to read the SOP that got me into a Russell Group school. And if you don't know what Russell Group means, Russell Group is just like the Ivy League in the USA. The Ivy League in the USA, is the Harvard is one of them, in which Barack Obama and his daughter, I think Malia, is also a Harvard student, and I think Barack Obama went to Harvard. So those are the kind of schools in the Ivy League. In the Russell Group, it's about 25 or so. 25 or 26 of them. We have the Cambridge, the University College of London, the Oxford, and we also have University of Nottingham. So I'm going to read the SOP that got me an admission into that school. That's University of Nottingham, a Russell Group school. Yes. And I'm going to read another one because some schools will tell you to write SOP of 4,000 characters. Some will tell you to just write an SOP of less than 800 words or 800 words. So the one for University of Nottingham was about 800 words, and the other one I'm going to share or read is about 4,000 characters. So I would compare both of them and tell you the structure of how you should write an SOP. And if you think that, okay, it's just too, my dear, I've helped people to get almost 30 admission in the last 3 months for free, and I'm going to be sharing my tips, my tricks, and also share my SOP, which will be the first time people publicly will see it. But anyway, if you want to see that, please subscribe and click on the bell notification icon so that you're notified anytime I upload or when I upload it. So your SOP needs to be on point. It needs to talk about your experience in the field that you want to study. It needs to sell yourself. It needs to show that you know what you are coming to do. The second is to also have a nicely done CV. Now in Nigeria, where I am from, we like to put religion, sex, local government. That is not necessary in the UK standard. So you need to do a CV that is UK standard. It has to be on point. It has to sell you, sell your skills, sell the things that you've gained after school, whether you volunteered or you've been working. It has to just sell you. And one of the things that will help to boost your CV and also your SOP is the third thing. Take an online course. There are so many online courses or sites where you can get online courses like Udemy and Coursera. Take those courses. Take the courses that are related to the course you want to study, because it not only allows you to have a beginner's knowledge to what you want to study, it can help with what you state in your SOP. You can submit his certificate to bulk up your CV or bulk up the documents that you're submitting. It will also show then that you are proactive. It will also show that you have the ability to self-learn or do independent learning, which postgraduate study is largely about. It's about independent learning. No teacher is going to be holding your hand like that all the time. So taking those courses help to show those skills and helps you to understand or have knowledge about what you want to do and boost your application. Now, the fourth thing that would help you get an admission is to apply early. Apply early. You don't have the advantage that someone like me has with the degree, with everything. So you need to apply early so that they can calm down and check out your application. Now, if you want to apply for the September 2022 session, I think it's a bit late because most schools are closing up. They are closing admission. So, but if you want to apply for January 2023, now is perfect to be gathering all that you need so that by maybe July, August, you can apply, or even June if they've opened the portal for January 2023. So the fourth one is apply early so that you can push your application in front of their faces and they can calm down to check it out and give you that admission. Now, the fifth and last one is to apply to a lot of schools. You don't have the luxury of applying to one or two and wasting your time. Apply to as much schools as you can apply, and also have like 2 or 3 courses in mind. So if you, for instance, want to do data science, don't be hell-bent on data science. You can do business analytics. You can also apply for business analytics. So you can apply for 2 courses. Some schools you can apply for 2 courses or 3 courses or even 4 courses in a university. So you can apply to 2 different courses that are related. So as long as the skills and knowledge are kind of related. And this will help you to be less stressed up when looking for admission, and definitely grant you 1 or 2 or even 3. If you apply for 10, I believe you should get like 4 or 5 if your SOP and CV and everything that I've said is on point. So that is all for today, guys. If you liked this video and if you gained something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share this video to your friends and family who are thinking that they cannot gain an admission because they have a third class or HND or a degree, or certificate from Benin Republic. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified when I upload videos. Now, my next video is going to be talking about schools or UK universities that have affordable tuition fees. So check out my next video if you want to know about schools that are affordable. So I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.